how to make $200 using Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that is going to help you generate from $200 upward to $2,000 per month just from using Google Maps, finding clients and pitching them, and you will not need any skill whatsoever. So basically the method is you're going to find the small business owners in the cities inside the United States. Then you're going to pitch them, or you're going to check their business profile first in the Google Maps and see if they have any bad reviews, or if they don't have websites. You can pitch that you're going to remove the bad reviews for them, or you can create the websites for them, and you will get paid from $200 to $2,000 doing those services. And now you will not need any skill because you're just going to get the clients. Then you're going to outsource the job. You will go to fiverr.com. So like here, you will go to fiverr.com, or you can use any other platform, freelancing platform that you'd like to use. For me, I like to use Fiverr. It's more trusted for me. That's my own choice. And here you will find the freelancers that are going to do that job for $25, $20, if it's even, and the maximum that you will have to pay them is $100, and then you will be left with a good margin from the service. If you get paid $100 or $200 by the business owner, and you pay the freelancer $25 or $100, you will be left with a good or a great margin to put in your pocket. So here, let's go to the United States and let's choose a state. For example, let's choose Montana. So here, let's go to Montana, and here let's choose a city or a town. For example, let's choose Conrad. Let's choose Conrad, for example. So this is a city. So, and here, go to the search and type what is the business that we're going to search for. Let's go for auto repair. So here, let's see all of the auto repair businesses that we have in this city. So here we have Advantage Auto and Tire, Mike and Chad's Truck Auto, For Your Collision Center LLP. Let's see the first one. This one doesn't have a website, which gives us another service to offer. Also, I think he has some bad reviews. As you can see, we have 1-star review. I took my RV here to get a tune up. Calvin told me that he could lie to me and tell me that he could get it in his shop in about 3 months, or he could tell me the truth and tell me he wasn't interested. Must be nice to have enough business that you can basically tell people to screw off. And this was 5 years ago, and this is the response from the owner. As you can see, you are mistaken. I do not schedule nor have I ever repaired RVs. Sorry, you must have contacted a different business. Have a great day. Please try an RV dealer in Great Falls. Please remove the negative review, considering I was never contacted nor would schedule an RV. Thank you. I specialize in alignment, suspension, starters, alternators, tires, and so on. So as you can see, the owner is eager to remove this bad review. It's messing with his reputation. As you can see, he defended himself with a paragraph. That means this is a weak spot that we can use to convince the owner to purchase our service. So basically you just need to screenshot this this review, or you can just watch it right now and take his number and call the owner and say, right now I'm seeing your business on Google Maps, and I see that you have a bad review that you would be interested in removing. I can do that for you, and I can also add some good reviews, improve the stars that you have, and also I can sponsor your business profile to be in the top, in the first results to show in this city. So basically you just try to convince him to buy or purchase your service, and you will succeed in that if you use this review that we have in here, because as you can see the owner will be eager to remove this review. And also we can see if we can find another bad review. So here let's scroll down to see if we can find some other bad reviews. So that's all the reviews that he has, but this one will be enough to do that. And also we will pitch him the idea of creating a website for him that will make things easier for him and for the clients to book appointments to come to his shop or to his garage. So that's the idea, guys. After you get one client, you can multiply the method on the other auto repairing businesses, and when you're done with the auto repairing, you can move to the hairstyles, hairdressers, hair salons, and all of the small businesses that you can find in this city. And after you're done with the city, you can move to the other cities. So here also you can offer another service which is very important and also will generate you a lot of money, which is social media marketing or social media management. Because as you can see in his business profile, you can't find any social media or any website. Let's see this menu link. Let's see his menu link. So this is his menu link. We can also improve this, or we can even make a website for him to ease things for him. So that's the idea, guys. I think you get the method. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and a comment, and also share the video with your friends and follow for more videos like this.